When you run a business or manage a team, choosing the right tool can make a big difference. Two tools that many people compare are ClickUp and GoHighLevel. At first glance, they may look similar because both help you to manage work, customers, and communication. But when you start using them, you realize they are built for different purpose. ClickUp is known as a task manager and a project workspace, while GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing platform. In this video, I will explain the difference between ClickUp and GoHighLevel in simple way so you can decide which one fits for your needs best. ClickUp focuses on managing tasks, projects, and teamwork. It helps teams to stay organized, track progress, assign responsibilities, and handle deadlines. You can use it for planning work, tracking goals, and collaborating with your team members. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, focuses on managing customers, automation, marketing campaigns, funnels, and sales communication. It helps businesses to generate leads, send follow-ups, schedule appointments, and automate marketing tasks. Both tools are strong, but they serve different parts of your business workflow. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the right tools without any confusion. First of all, let's start with the ClickUp. ClickUp is a platform that helps you to organize tasks, the projects, and teamwork in one place. Imagine you have many tasks to complete and you have the deadlines to meet and people to manage. ClickUp gives you boards, lists, calendars, and timelines to keep everything in order. You can create tasks, you can assign them to team members, you can set the due dates, and add comments or attachments. This keeps your team aligned and reduces the confusion about who does what kind of work and when they need to do. One of the reasons many teams choose ClickUp is because of its flexibility. You can customize task view, you can group the task by status or priority, and even you can automate the simple workflow inside the system. If you have deadlines, approvals, or repeating work, ClickUp helps you to keep things moving without forgetting anything. It is very useful for project managers, operation teams, and creative teams who need clear and visual plannings. ClickUp also integrates with many other applications you may already use. For example, you can connect your email, calendar, cloud storage, and chat tools so tasks and updates flow smoothly between systems. This means you don't need to switch between many apps. You see everything in one workspace. For teams focused on internal work, deadlines, and collaboration, ClickUp feels like a central hub or getting things done. Now let's talk about the GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is built more for customer relationship management, which is CRM, and marketing automation. Unlike ClickUp, which focuses on tasks and the projects, GoHighLevel helps you to manage leads, automate communication, and run campaigns. When a new person visits your website or fill out a form, GoHighLevel captures their contact information and add them to your system. You can then create the sequences that send automated emails and SMS messages or even appointment reminders. GoHighLevel also includes tools for building the sales funnels, creating landing pages, and calendar booking that connects to your communication systems. This means you can capture leads, you can nurture them with automated messages, and schedule the meeting without manual effort. For business that depend on finding new customers and converting them into clients, GoHighLevel provides tools beyond the simple CRM. It helps you to automate the entire marketing flows. Another strong point of GoHighLevel is the ability to multi-channel campaigns, which means you can interact with your audience through the email, text messaging, and even calls. You can set up rules so when someone takes an action like clicking on a link or booking an appointment, the system responds automatically. This is not only saves time but also improves the response rates and ensures you that never miss the follow-up with a potential client. So how do you decide between ClickUp and GoHighLevel? The honest answer depends on what your main priorities are. If you are mainly focused on managing internal tasks, team collaboration, deadlines, and project planning, ClickUp is more suitable. It gives you a structured workspace, flexible task view, customer workflow, and visual tools that can keep your team on track. But if your priority is growing your business, capturing leads, communicating with potential customers, and automating your sales and marketing activities, GoHighLevel is designed for that. It gives you CRM features, marketing automation, funnel builders, and communication flows inside one system. It is especially helpful for small businesses, agencies, and service providers who want to automate outreach and lead nurturing without many separate tools. Another difference to think about is complexity and setup. ClickUp is easier to start with if you are only managing tasks and simple workflows. GoHighLevel may take time to set up because it includes many automation and campaign features. This is not difficult, but it does require planning your communication or the sequences and automations before activating them. Some users may need tutorial or help at first, but once set up, GoHighLevel can run many processes automatically. So to conclude, ClickUp is focused on internal work or task management and team productivity, while GoHighLevel is focused on CRM, marketing, automation, and customer communication. Your choice should depend on whether your main need is managing work inside your team or managing leads and automating the communication with customers. So that's all for today's video. If this comparison helped you to understand better about the GoHighLevel and the ClickUp, then give this video a like, subscribe the Easy Access Tech for more honest reviews and simple tech guides. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one.